Greetings, Chefvaxi here. Not to be confused with Shivaxi. What a loser, am I right? I mean, who makes a Minecraft mod pack? So you may have noticed there haven't been many videos on my channel, I mean Shivaxi's channel, lately. He's been very busy over there doing his little RLCraft 2.8 update. Apparently, it's just taken a long time, and he hasn't had the chance to do anything else. So, I'm taking over. And yeah, this is what we're doing today. I mean, I didn't shave, I got the neck beard and everything. We might as well. Oh boy. What's that? You wanted more RLCraft videos? Oh, what? You wanted more Shroud videos? Ha! What? You wanted more PUBG Mobile videos? Nope, we're cooking today. Yeah, by the way, you're banned, okay? So while I get out some ingredients for today's thing. Wow, I'm bad at this now. I've lost my mojo, huh? You're probably wondering where I've been all this time. I know it's been a while since I've appeared on screen. Listen, Shivaxi has had me locked up for quite some time. I'm sorry it took me so long to get out of the dungeon he put me in, but it was only a matter of time. Okay, we're gonna need these. We're gonna need this. Oh. And some of this, and maybe this. Actually, I don't know. We're winging it today. Now let's pan over to see what we got here. Oh my god, epic camera, ouch. Oh, there we go. Epic camera panning action. So, we got some Hebrew National hot dogs, some Mayochup, which, I mean, we need mayonnaise and ketchup, but this is Mayochup. It's all in one, so why not just use this? Honey mustard, some pickles, and there's actually only like one pickle left. Parmesan cheese, garlic, which I'm not sure I'm going to use, and of course, potato rolls. If you get normal rolls, you're banned. So this is quite an ancient and delicate Chefvaxi special recipe. This took many, many years to perfect, okay? Nobody knows about this. I mean, of course nobody knows about this. This is Chefvaxi, okay? I made this recipe. First step, boil some hot dogs. Bloop. Ignore the pizza box, okay? Bloop. Oh, they're all slimy, dude. Now, to actually be totally serious, I don't usually care about brands, but National Hebrew, these are like the best tasting hot dogs ever, okay? I'm sorry, these are so good. You have to do the recipe exactly like this, okay? Or you're double banned. Oh, and I almost forgot, while the hot dogs are boiling, you need to prepare the last and final ingredient, the most important ingredient, okay? One fully loaded and totally real gun. Whew, is it me or is it getting hot in here? Now, optionally, while the hot dogs are boiling, you can lightly toast 2 of your potato rolls, okay? Lightly. Yeah. Do not try this at home. Only professionals can stick a metal fork into a plugged-in toaster, okay? Alright, there we go. So the hot dogs are still boiling, so we shall prepare thy buns. Alright. So you want, again, some Mayochup, mayonnaise and ketchup in one, on one side, and Ken Steakhouse honey mustard on the other. Just like that. And now don't leave it like that, you fucking caveman. Okay, we're upper class over here. We're gonna spread this shit out nice and even. Thank you. Yeah, look at that. Oh, yeah. And now, ow, hang on, Shivaxi stabbed himself. You're going to waste another plate. Grab your pickle, the only pickle you have left. There we go. Would you shut up? There we go. Okay. And this is how you need to do this, alright? Watch closely. Or you're banned again 3 times. Slice in half, and then slice it in half again. I know, we're getting pretty fancy up in here, alright? I'm sure you can manage, though. I believe in you. Whew. That was a tough sliceroo right there, man. Look at that. Clean! Then you take pickle, 2 slices for each bun. Look at that. Yeah. We will try a wee bit of garlic. Not much. It's like a little dab right there. No, not a... And then kind of spread that out along the one side like that. Spread out the garlic. Bada bing, bada boom. Once the hot dogs are done, you stab it gently, okay? And bring it right over here. Bloop. There we go. And bloop. Bloop sound effect, very important. Now cheese is also optional. You can use some shredded cheese or like the smokehouse cheddar, slice it on, you know. But I think today we're just gonna go some good old Parmesan Asiago and Romano cheese. Got a good little sprinkle in, and god damn, does that look gourmet. Oh yeah, and some gun. There you have it. La bonne appetit, motherfucker. What am I doing with my life?